What is the cosine of 5 pi over 6? If you haven't memorized the unit circle yet, you need to. Now, let me draw out the unit circle so I can visualize this better. Okay? Terrible job by me, but you know what? Beggars can't be choosers. You're 0, you're pi, which means you're pi over 2, which means you're 3 pi over 2. When you're dealing with the unit circle, every quadrant has 3 dots living in it. Now, I care about the angle 5 pi over 6. The angle 5 pi over 6 is more than half a pi, but less than pi, so we're thinking quadrant 2 thoughts. All right? Every quadrant has 3 dots that we're focusing on. Okay? 5 pi over 6 is going to be that dot right there. Okay, so the angle that's created is this angle right here, and 5 pi over 6 is going to be that one. Now, when you build the coordinates on a unit circle, what you're doing is you have an x and you have a y value. I always start with the x value. I'm not hyper-focused on positives or negatives right now. I'll deal with that in a minute. But the way that I handle these is I always build from the x value and work my way up at 3 pi over 2. You would be 2 pi over 2 and then 1 over 2. I'm sorry, root 3 over 2, not pi. Root 3 over 2, root 2 over 2, and 1 over 2. And then I work my way down with the y's. Okay, so again, let me show you that. Let me just quick show you that. Root 2 over 2, 1 over 2. Then I work my way with the y's by doing the opposite. Root 3 over 2, root 2 over 2, and then 1 over 2. Now, this is quadrant 2, which is the negative x value and the positive y value. So I'll make sure I throw negatives in front of u. Now, we're hyper-focused on this point right here. Cosine is the x value. Okay, so you have a cosine theta, you have a sine theta, and cosine is the x value, and that's what we want. So what I'm going to do is, since I care about this point right here, is I'm going to label the x value right there at that point, which happens to be negative root 3 over 2. So the cosine of 5 pi over 6 is going to be negative root 3 over 2. And that's how you do it.